Yes, hello guys, how are we? I hope we are all fine. Okay, we have a very simple question here. It looks simple, but if you are not very careful, you may throw the question away. So it says simplify 15 minus 30x, okay, all over 6x minus 3. So all we need to do is this is 15 solution minus 30x, okay, all over 6x minus 3. Okay, now let's move to the next step. Now what is going to be our first step? Our first step is we look for a common factor between 15 and 30. So obviously that is 15. A factor 15, or 15 into 15 is how many times? That is 1 times. 15 into 30, we have our minus, right? 15 into 30 is 2 times. We have, that is 2x, right? We have all over. Okay, now come down also. Look for a common factor of 3 and 6. That is 3, obviously. We have 3 into 6, that is 2 times. That is 2x. We have our minus, minus 1, right? That is 3 into 3. We come down. Okay, so what are we going to do next? Then this is what? This is, I have 15 into s. This is 1 minus 2x. So now I want to cancel these two, but here looking at them, they cannot be cancelled. Okay, so because this is 1 minus 2x, this is 2x minus 1. It's just like an inverse. Okay, so all we need to do is we have to try to make sure that one of them is the same as the other. So what I can do here is I can factor out a negative either from the top or down, all the same, right? Like let's say if I remove a negative sign down, okay, let's say I have 3. Now if I remove a negative sign, obviously this is going to be now positive, right? Positive 1, and this 2 is going to be negative 2, right? Not so, negative 2x. Okay, so in this case this can cancel this, or yet still, or I can still have 15 by 3. Okay, this is what? This is 1 minus 2x. Okay, so check, this is positive 2x, not so, I can write this as 2x, and this is what? 1. This is negative 1, right? So when I factor out the negative, if I factor out this negative here, this is now going to be negative 2x. Here it's positive, here it's going to be negative, since I'm going to factor out the negative, and this negative 1 is going to be now positive. So now at this instant, or at this stage, you are going to detect now this and this can cancel out because they are the same. So now 3 into itself 1 times into 15 is 5 times, so the answer becomes negative 5.